In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your garage door opener. This will specifically cover the LiftMaster 893LM. This is what it looks like here. You won't need any special tools to get this done. You can do it yourself at home. All you'll need is a single CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these lying around, feel free to check the link in the description, which will take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. Now to open this thing up, you can first remove the clip on the back. So just gently pull that out. And we can now use this to pry open the door opener, the garage door opener. You can see there are two spots, little indentations. You can go and twist to open this up, or if you don't have the clip, or if you'd prefer to just use a flathead, you can use that as well. Twist. Find the other opening, twist, and this will open up nicely for you like that. Now inside we have the battery. You can just push the battery out, slide it out with your fingertips. You can now dispose of the old battery, take your new 2032 and make sure the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing up, and just simply slide it into place, push it all the way back in there. And now we can put this back together. Just set that on top, squeeze it back together, and you can put your clip back in there as well. There you go, that's all it takes. You should see the light come on and your garage door opener should be good to go. So if this video helped you out, feel free to leave a like or a comment. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.